Welcome to Pushpendra Java Tech. Today we are going to explore Jdk Jre JVM. Jdk is Java development kit that used to write the program that needs for compilation, for debugger and other libraries for development. Jre is runtime environment that contains libraries, runtime files and JVM. And JVM is a Java virtual machine that read bytecode, convert it into machine language, execute program instructions. Under Jdk there is Jre. Under Jre you will have JVM. Let's see some interview questions. Jdk used to develop Java application. Jre provides the environment to run Java program. JVM executes Java bytecode and makes Java platform independent. So let's go for a quick question. Can JVM run without Jre? No. Jre contains JVM. Can Jre run without JVM? No. JVM is the core execution engine. Can Jdk run without Jre? No. Jdk already include Jre. Let's summarize and summarize this whole entire Jdk Jre into some small user story. Like Jdk is like a complete toolbox for building Java program. Jre is like a playground to run Java programs, and JVM is like a machine that understands and runs Java code. Jdk contains code editor, compiler, tools, libraries. Jre contains libraries, JVM execution machine, and JVM works on Windows, Linux, Mac. You write code and Jdk compiles the code and bytecode is generated. Jre provides runtime environment, JVM execute the bytecode and output is shown on the screen.